Hello everyone. Hope all of you are safe and doing well. As we all are seeing that the country is suffering because of the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic and there is a shortage of lot of resources in the country. One such shortage we are facing a lot right now is of plasma. This is because a lot of people of the country are not aware of the importance of plasma donation in helping the people of the country fight the COVID 19 infection. Also, there are a lot of myths prevailing in the public. So, we have decided to make a short video on plasma therapy and the importance of plasma donation in helping to fight the pandemic. So, first of all, what is plasma? It is a clear straw colored liquid portion of the blood that remains after the red blood cells, white blood cells, blood platelets, and other cellular components are removed. In simple words, it is the liquid part of the blood and it contains the antibodies. Plasma is composed of 90% of water and is the transporting medium for cells and variety of substances vital to the human body. See, when your body has fought the COVID 19 infection, the antibodies are produced and those antibodies are stored in the plasma. So, what is plasma therapy now? The plasma extracted from the blood of patients recovering from an infection is a source of antibodies against that infection. Using this plasma, we can heal a current COVID 19 patient even faster. So, plasma donation is very critical to save the lives of many people at present. So, how does it work? As people fight the virus, they produce antibodies that attack that virus. Those antibodies and proteins that are secreted by the immune cells known as the B lymphocytes are found in the plasma or the liquid part of the blood, and this liquid part helps the blood to clot and support the immunity of the person. Once a person recovers, that person has developed antibodies that will stay in their blood for a while, waiting to fight the same virus. And these antibodies, when injected into another person with the disease, recognize the virus as some foreign organism which is to attack. So, in the case of the coronavirus disease, scientists say the antibodies attack the spikes on the outside of the virus, and this blocks the virus from penetrating into the human cells. So, now let us look at the importance of the plasma therapy. See, plasma therapy is an option when any other treatments doesn't work against the disease. Some people with the COVID 19 become very sick and do not respond to any treatments or medicines. So, plasma therapy helps to prevent life threatening situations. Also, the trials with plasma therapy have shown positive results on the patients suffering in the second stage of the disease. It might not work for everyone, but it is definitely helping in reducing the severity of the disease and also the number of days of stay in the hospitals. There is this myth prevailing in the public at right now is that plasma donation makes the people weak. But it is not like that. It does not cause any weakness in the individuals and it saves a lot of lives who are suffering with the disease. Now let us see who can donate plasma. See, a plasma donor should have recovered from the infection in around 28 days and should be of the age group of 18 to 55 years. The donor should have a minimum weight of 50 kgs and should not be suffering from any transmissible or chronic diseases like the diseases related to kidneys, heart, liver, lungs, etc. One cannot donate plasma if they have a tattoo on the body or had any major surgery in the last 6 months. Also, if you have taken the vaccination, you cannot donate plasma for 28 days. So the donor should wait for 28 days before donating if vaccinated. See, the women who are pregnant or who had a pregnancy recently should not donate plasma. And to be precise, a woman who ever had pregnancy in her life cannot donate the plasma. See, even the diabetic patients on insulin should not donate the plasma. Also, the cancer survivors and the people having high or low blood pressure cannot donate the plasma to the patients. Now that we have seen everything about the plasma therapy and plasma donation, let us do our part and contribute to the nation in fighting this dangerous disease by donating plasma. So, everyone who meet the above criteria can donate plasma and save a lot of lives suffering out there.